Next question is questions I have regarding social media from the grander level. Okay, let's say you have an ongoing event that you have to promote. Would creating multiple posts in the span of 1 hour be a good idea or not? I don't think that's a good idea. It depends. Multiple posts across all platforms, I think is good. Multiple posts, say on Instagram, like 5 posts. I don't know what you mean by multiple, or by ongoing event. I think that would just be spammy. If it's an ongoing event every Friday, I think that would just be spammy. And people would just be like, okay, it's now you're pushing too hard. It removes the whole part of being social on social media. So now you're just trying to people don't like to be sold to. And that's just being overly aggressive. In my opinion, I think that would work against you. Multiple posts on all platforms, meaning to me, if you have a great audience on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok, posting all of those, like 1 post or 2 posts on the day of, I think would be great. But I don't think 5 posts in an hour on Instagram would be great. It would just work against you, because now you're fucking up someone's experience. They're looking through this, oh, okay, I just saw that. I just saw that again. Like, you know what I'm saying? If anything, if you have the budget to do it, I would encourage you to either, if anything, hopefully you have an email list, leverage that. Or if you're doing SMS marketing, do that. Or if you have the budget for ads, do that. If you have the budget for ads, do that, and retarget your email list. It can, again, having a list would be, I think, better than trying to post to casual people. Do you think every post you make should include hashtags? Do they always drive engagement and reach? I think if this was last year, or this was just 2020, I think it would be different. Like, I wouldn't add as much hashtags, but now I would say hashtags still do drive engagement. If you're talking about Instagram, and if you're looking through your feed, you're gonna see hashtags that you follow be recommended have their own posts, and it might not necessarily be people. Though Instagram encourages like maybe 5 hashtags max. Try not to spam the crap out of it, and make sure the hashtags are relevant. Yeah, and then I think they're still pretty effective. It's definitely been more effective more now in terms of this recording versus last year. I would not put all my eggs in one basket and hoping that certain hashtags will get you the most reach. If anything, it's a tool that can help you. But again, in my opinion, if they barely know you, if it's a cold audience, it might be hard to convert them and to come to your event.
Honestly, it depends on the hashtag. A part of me says no. Yes, so partly yes, partly no. And make sure the hashtags are relevant to your content, not just because this is a trending hashtag, you want to push it. Or number 2, you could use it the other way around, go with trending hashtags and relate it with your brand, but don't just make use of hashtags just because those are trending. Yeah. But I would always say either with or without a hashtag, it's the type of content that you should be making. So it should be something relevant. It should be something relevant to your brand, and it should be something that you think people who are your audience would like seeing.